So I got a book from the Broken Binding, and I thought we would do an unboxing because the way they prepared it was pretty gorgeous. All right. So this is a special edition that came out, I believe, in December, and they had 2 printings of it. I was lucky enough to get a signed second copy of the second set that they managed to put out just a couple days after their subscribers were able to get one, because I'm not a subscriber. But this book is probably the best book that I read last year, so I wanted to. Oh my goodness. And I've never done book unboxing before, so thought I would give it a shot. So as you can see, it's Blood Over Brighthaven. Oh my goodness gracious. No reversible dust jacket, but that's from the original cover. There's some end paper art. There's the people going across the ice. Let's see, I believe I was lucky enough to get a signed. A second copy. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Yay! Look at these edges. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, so cool. I am so happy, and definitely shout out to the Broken Binding for these, because this was pretty incredible.